Today we're making a Dollar Tree DIY glam wall sconce with chopping mats and charger plates. So just keep watching. So for this project we're going to be using the two mats that comes in the pack, one charger plate from the Dollar Tree, and inside of the charger plate measures 11.5 inches. I'm going to cut my first chopping mat at 11.5 inches, and the goal is to get a circle of 11.5 inches. So if you have a compass, go ahead and just cut out the shape 11.5 inches diameter. So I can't locate my compass at this time, so I'm using a plate to draw my circle. So my circle will be 11.5 inches when I'm done. I'm just using my scissors to cut out that circle. So our goal is to fold it, and it should look like this when we're done. Now this is our second chopping mat, and I'm cutting this one at 7 inches, and I'm just going to be using 1/2. Now I'll use my Rust-Oleum reflective gold spray paint, my metallic gold, and I'll spray paint my charger plate. For my circular chopping mat, I'll be spray painting it matte black with my Rust-Oleum 2X. And for my 7-inch chopping mat, I'll be using my Rust-Oleum hammered silver. And here's how that looks when I'm done. For this wall sconce, I'll be using my 3-inch rechargeable lights. So I'm just placing one of them on the inside, and I'm wrapping my 7-inch chopping mat right around that light as tight as I can. And then I'll just use my clear tape to keep it together. Now here's my round chopping mat that I spray painted matte black. Just make sure that it's fully dry. I'm also wearing a pair of gloves to make sure I don't get my fingerprints all over it. My next step is to cut 1 inch from my gold contact paper. And this DIY wall sconce is a Pinterest inspired, and this is the model that I'm following. So my next step is to connect the two chopping mats together. I just use my Aleene's glue to connect the two together, but you do not need the glue. Just wrap the chopping mats around each other and use tape to hold them together. Alright, and I'm using the tape where I know I'll be using my contact paper. And then the contact paper will just seal everything together. And I'm using my hot glue just to seal it in the back. This is where the back will be. So now that's looking nice already. I'm going to be using picture frame hooks to hang my charger plate on the wall. So I'm just using my Aleene's mixed media adhesive to make sure that it's nice and secure. And I'm also using some hot glue to hold it together while I continue working. So I made this wall sconce a couple weeks ago, and I wasn't happy with how close I had to be for the remote to work. So these are the changes I'm making. So we need some signal to come through for the light. For some reason it's not coming through here. I'm not sure why, because I've done this before and it worked. So What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my light right here. Okay, so we have two lights, one there, one here. Okay, just like so. So we can pick these lights up from across the room, because these lights you can use your remote from 13 feet away. 13, sorry, not 13 feet, 13 yards. So that's 39 feet away. Okay, use a pencil to mark the area that we're gonna cover up. That's it. Do the same thing for the next side, just like that. Now I'm gonna use my rhinestone ribbon. I have 3 different sizes, 3 different width. This one, and I have this one, that's the largest one. So this one that's the one I'm gonna use. Let me cut an angle like that. Just tape it down right on top. We don't want to go over, because remember, this is where our mark is. Just like that. And like that. Now I'm gonna cut the angle on the ribbon. Now I can lift it up and cut this piece out. Just that one little piece right there. So the signal can come through and it's not gonna really show. Do the same thing for the next one. And then just place them back in. Just like so. And see? Looks nice, right? And when you're ready, it's just easy for you to pop it out just like so. So you can go and recharge them. So all that's left to do is glue it in place in the charger. Just make sure that it's lined up properly in the center of the charger. And I'm using my Aleen's mixed media for this part. And we're done with our project, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you like this week's project. Please let me know down in the comment section all your thoughts. And please remember to give me a thumbs up. It's really important to me and I really appreciate you watching. If you missed my previous video, here it is. This is what I made previously to this one. And I'll attach the link to the screen. Just touch that rectangular box if you'd like to watch it. Alright, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Take care and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye-bye.